Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Anani with At Home with Anani. Thank you so very much for taking your precious time to watch this video. As always, it gives me great pleasure to serve you guys by making this video. So let's get started. I am super excited because I am participating in another collaboration. This collaboration is being hosted by none other than Lacey with Lacey's Space. Lacey issued a challenge for a fall DIY collaboration 2018. Her only requirements were one, that you show your DIY that you've already made. You can show anywhere from 3 to 5. It must be uploaded by September 15th and to have lots and lots of fun. So guys, if you'd like to see what I done, stay watching. But before I get into the video, I want to take this opportunity to thank Miss Lacey with Lacey's Space for hosting this collaboration. It was so much fun. It was easy. You pretty much just show what you have and that's it. So Lacey, you need to do more of these kind of collaboration. If you are not subscribed to Lacey's channel, be sure to check her out. If you enjoy her video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Also, there will be a link in my description box down below. If you click on that list, it will take you straight to the playlist so you can see all the participants' wonderful DIYs. I am super excited to sit down and relax and watch a playlist myself. And if you enjoy watching the playlist, you enjoy the collaboration, be sure to show them some love by hitting that subscribe button. Let's get into my video. Well guys, this is the end of my video. As always, it gives me much pleasure to serve you guys by making this video. I'd like to take the opportunity to thank Miss Lacey for hosting this collaboration. Again guys, if you have not seen Lacey's channel, you need to run over there right now and subscribe to her channel. There will be a list of participants which will be listed in the description box down below. So just click on that link to the playlist and you will be able to watch all these wonderful DIYs that are being done on this channel. Thank you so very much for watching this video. As always, have a blessed and awesome day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.